I'm Kenzie and I'm 8. What's your name?
Bennett.
And she's 2. Today we're going to make paper crowns and bracelets. To complete this project, you'll need cardstock, the border maker system, and a tape runner. Bennett, what color do you want?
Pink.
You start by putting the paper into the guide. I'm going to use the crystal chain border maker. You can use whatever. And ta-da, you have a border. Last, you put some adhesive on the ends and loop it together. A couple pro tips. Use 2 borders to make a crown. Leave room to slide off the bracelet. And lastly, repositionable tape makes sizing a breeze. And there you have it. Simple bracelets and simple crowns. To have a little bit more fun, try combining colors and layering designs. And thanks for crafting with me. Bye.